Covering mandatory evacuations from the fires burning in the Carolinas. People have been ordered from their homes in parts of Pickens and Greenville counties in the Upstate and in Henderson County, North Carolina.
And we have team coverage of the massive firefighter response, the challenges those fires present, and the people forced from their homes. Starting with our Julia Keener. She's at an evacuation shelter in Greenville County. Hey, Julia.
Hey Taylor, we are here at Marietta First Baptist Church. This is the evacuation shelter for residents north of Highway 11 to the Greenville County line if need be. Officials we spoke with said if you have been notified to evacuate, do so immediately for your safety.
It's scary because it's one thing knowing that you're about to lose something and you have a time crunch and what's the most important thing versus we just need to get up and go.
Families have already began to seek shelter, like mother of 10 Megan Miller, who says after Helene she knew it was better to be safe than sorry.
I was going stir crazy, didn't even know what to pack, and so we need to go ahead and leave because more than likely we're going to have to evacuate later. And sure enough, a couple of hours later, we started hearing on the radio that more people were evacuating, and so we got out about 3 o'clock.
The South Carolina Forestry Commission says with increased fire activity Tuesday afternoon, there is urgency with evacuations.
We could see flames on the mountain, and seeing flames during the daytime is not a good sign.
Stewart says if residents need to evacuate, they will be notified in person by law enforcement.
The area is very smoky right now. We're going to see increased fire behavior in the days to come. Especially overnight as we see those gusty winds. You don't want to go to bed not knowing whether you need to evacuate. If you feel like you need to evacuate, if you've been told to evacuate, please do.
7 News has also posted a list of the roads in Pickens and Greenville counties under mandatory evacuation on WSPA.com. Now, as you all saw, there was a pretty large gust of wind that hit me right before we went on, and with that, we could smell smoke from the fire. Stewart tells us additional crews are coming out to help tomorrow, but in the meantime, residents are urged to stay clear of the area. Live in Greenville County, Julia Keener, 7 News.